What's up, guys? In this video, I want to go over two common mistakes that I see students make when they're trying to evaluate an expression. And this all really stems over dealing with negative numbers. The first one is when we're going to have a negative number, or our value is going to be raised to a power. So in this case, I have x equals -2, and I have the expression x squared minus 3. I need to find the value. So what I'm going to do is replace my x with my value of -2. And the mistake comes in when students do not use parentheses. Because what's going to happen here is they're going to square the 2, which is going to give us 4, and they get a -4 minus 3, which equals a -7. Unfortunately, ladies and gentlemen, that is incorrect. Make sure you use parentheses. X squared, or when the value is -2, it's a parentheses -2 squared minus 3. We're squaring the whole value of -2. Well, -2 squared is actually going to be a +4, and 4 minus 3 is going to equal 1, and that is going to be your correct answer. Now, the next mistake that comes with evaluating expressions with negative numbers is students see that, like, all right, I know that I'm going to plug -2 in here. I get it. I'll raise it to a power. I'll put my parentheses here, but I'm not going to worry about putting parentheses there because it's just a waste of time. I already see it's a -x, and I already have a -2, so my negative is taken care of. So what they'll do is they'll say, all right, well, I'll put parentheses around here. Ms. McLogan said that was a good idea, but I already have a -x, so therefore I can just put in the -2. And unfortunately, this is, again, going to be incorrect. They'll get a +40 here, and then they'll get a 38, and that answer is wrong. So whenever we're evaluating a value in an expression, use parentheses for everything. So yes, this is important because that's going to turn into a -8 times a -5, which is going to be a +40. But what's over here is it's minus x. Again, x represents a -2, so it's minus a -2, right? So minus a -2 is actually adding a 2, which is going to give you the positive answer of 42.